don't sell shit, we just make hits. Yeah. Turn up, keeping my composure, never sober, never.
Alright, assuming you already know how to sync clips, add in sound effects, and like dragging the songs and everything, all the basic stuff. First step, you just want to go to the kill, type up here, -30 to go 30 frames back. Fade this out by 30 frames. You can do Alt-Shift-G, which will fade it out by exactly 30. And then deselect the audio, select the video clip, Control-V to split it. Unselect it so nothing is selected. On this section where the kill is, right click, new compound clip, and then press Control-R, which will open retime control, and then retime curve, just right click it, there's no shortcut to that one. Click on this caret, deselect retime frame, go put it here to the right, go 5 frames forward, add a speed point, and then change this to 50%, go to the kill, go 4 frames back, add a speed point, change this last part to 400, and then go 2 frames forward, add another speed point, then change it to 50. If you want to make these transition points smoother, you can click on these dots, click this button, and then fade it out like that. And then click this one, the same button, and then go to this one and fade this. Make sure you do this one first, and you don't like stretch it too much, because if you do that, then it'll like skew forward too much, and then you won't be able to fade the first one in. Like just close out all that, and then just delete the extra. You can also change it to optical flow, smoother, and enhance better to make it.
Turn up, keeping my composure, never. Turn up, keeping my composure. Turn up, keeping my composure, never sober, never.